how to get a fish spawner in Minecraft. So you could only obtain a spawner on creative mode with commands. So basically what you need to do, just simply open up your command line, then type in give, then your player name, and just type in spawner just like so, and just type in enter. After that, you will now have this spawner right here. And if you want to spawn a fish, you need to do this underwater. So just go underwater first and just ready the fish eggs right here. So I have 3 fish eggs that I can use right here. Now just simply put the spawner on the ground just like so and place the spawn egg inside. And you simply need to wait till, of course, it spawns the fish. So as you can see, it's now spawning the fish right here. So this spawner will basically spawn unlimited amounts of fish. You just simply need to wait, since there are time intervals on every spawn of the fish right there. And that's how you basically get a fish spawner in Minecraft.